This recording is going to cover Objective 4.1 practice tasks. The first task in this lesson is going to be creating this multiplication table. You're going to click in cell B2. You're going to type in equals A2, and you're going to hit the key F4 on your keyboard 3 times. This is going to make it so that the row will move and not the column for this particular cell reference, and it's called an absolute cell reference. Then we're looking to multiply this, so you're going to times it, so shift 8, and you're going to multiply it by B1, and you are going to hit F4 2 times after B1 in order for the column to move and not the row. Once you hit enter and the formula is in, you can grab the bottom right hand corner of B2, drag it over to T2, then grab the bottom right hand corner of T2 and drag it down through T20. And then this is going to show you if you move from B2 over to T2, each of the columns will change. But as you move down, then you'll see each of the rows will change, and that's because of the absolute values that you have set. The next task asks you to open up worksheet 4.1b, and then on the summary worksheet you're going to display total sales for each period in cells B2 through B5 by referencing the corresponding worksheets. So if you click on the summary worksheet here and you click in B2, we're looking for the total sales for spring. The total sales for spring is over here in B6 on the spring worksheet. So this is really simple. You're just going to be entering in a 3D cell reference. So you're going to click on the summary worksheet, put in an equal sign, click on the spring worksheet. It will automatically put the 3D cell reference or the 3D worksheet reference in here for spring. Then click on cell B6, and then that is going to input that cell reference. So then you can just hit enter on your keyboard, and then that will automatically put in the total sales from the spring worksheet. You can go ahead and repeat this for the other 3 worksheets, and you will have different totals in here for summer, winter, and fall. I did not click fall. That's why that one did not go through. And it looks like I did this spring and the summer. It looks like I probably clicked on the same worksheet. Nope, the totals are the same, so we're good there. This is how you complete that task. For the last task, you're going to open up 4.1c, and in cell B18 create a formula that returns the number of non-empty cells in a period range. So you're going to click on the seasonal worksheet, and you're going to click in cell B18, and we want to count up all of the periods A2 through A17, and you're going to use a counta formula to count all except anything that might be blank. So you're going to type in equals COUNT, and then counta actually pops up. So you're going to double click counta, and then you're going to select A2 through A17. Once you hit enter, 16 will automatically come up because it's counting all of those cells. Then the next thing it asks you to do is to create an average in cell C18 for the sales. All you have to do is hit the drop down menu here next to auto sum. You also could type out the formula letter for letter or symbol for symbol, and the answer would be the same. But the average formula is going to go ahead and take an average of all the adjacent cells in that column. So it's going to be C2 through C17. Then the average is going to match what it's asking for in the results sheet. Finally, it asks you in cell D5 to create a formula that returns the lowest sale value for the fall period. So you're going to click in D5, and you're going to figure out which of these regions is the lowest. So we're looking for the minimum number of sales. So you're going to go equals MIN, parenthesis, C2 through C5. And you can hit enter, and the lowest in that sale range is Southeast, which is 300,000. The next task is to click on the sales by category worksheet, And you're going to scroll down to cell C95, and you're just putting in a total here. So all you have to do is click in C95, click Auto Sum, and it's going to add up the adjacent range for the bulbs. Hit Enter. You're going to do the same thing for 101 and use the Auto Sum to add up 96 through 100. Then you're going to click in cell C104 and use Auto Sum as well to add 102 through 103. Then it asks you to use in cell 86 an absolute cell reference for the total in this range. And the range only includes one cell. So I'm just going to click Auto Sum, and then I'm going to hit F4 on my keyboard in order to change it into an absolute cell reference, and then hit Enter to lock that formula in. And I'm going to get a total of that range, which is there's only one cell, so it's 9. The next step we're actually going to skip because we did this in 2.3 and there's no sales by region worksheet in the start file, so something might have been confused by the author, or if you need a refresher, then go and review that Objective 2.3 practice tasks video.